Let's unbox this automotive door handle together. It maintains the exact look and operation of the original. The solid structure helps reduce the risk of cracking or deformation, even in extreme temperatures. Built with a refined latch system, this upgraded feature ensures safe and secure closures. Plus, it can withstand 10,000 open-close cycles, confirming its endurance. And the precise mounting holes fit your exact vehicle perfectly. All created for your comfort and convenience. If you want reliable quality, choose a premium.